I'm Alexander Sooraj. I'm a student of Masters in Business Administration at Shiv Nadar University. In the last 2 years, I've been to the depths of subjects like consumer behavior, marketing management, and many other amazing courses along with faculty who are experts and thought leaders. The MBA program has indeed been a self-discovery for me. The program is designed in a manner that it makes sure to bring the best out of you. It is very important to have a conducive environment for any student to harness his learning. At Shiv Nadar University, it has it in its soul. The faculty, the support staff, and all other senior members over here have been phenomenal in their role in making sure that we are ready to face the challenges that the future beholds for us. It has indeed been an experience of a lifetime for me and all my other batchmates who have been in this course. Get to know more about me and my fellow batchmates from the new MBA browser that you can download from our website.